websites now. E-learning websites, you have something you want to offer. You have a skill. You can be a yoga master, you can be a tutor that you're teaching English language, because I've actually seen that. So that this particular course for English language, they sell it to those that don't speak English in their country and they are interested in learning English. And also, and one thing I used to say is everyone has something to sell. Take it or leave it. You have something that someone else did not know. And that thing can actually make you money. So now everybody's an instructor. So you now building websites where people can learn things online. That is e-learning websites. So when we are not talking about e-learning websites has different names. Number one, we call it educational web. Number two, we call it online course website. We call it online course website. Number three, we call it course selling website. We call it that. Number four, we call it we call it LMS website too. LMS website. So we have this thing. It has so many names. So many names. So that is to say, whenever you're hearing e-learning website, they're still talking about online course websites. When you're hearing online course websites, it's still educational websites. When you hear e-learning websites, still the same thing. And when a buyer comes to you and say, I want to do LMS website, it's still the same thing. Now, when we're not talking about e-learning websites, they can be built in two major places. Number one, is either you build it using programming website, which I call coded website, programming website. That is when you're making use of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, React, and all to build a website. You can make use of that to build your e-learning or educational or online course website. Number two, you can make use of CMS. CMS, that is content management system. And content management system means, content management system is a website that allows you to build your website. That you can easily manage everything, your content, all by yourself. I repeat, content management system. This is a kind of system that allows you to manage your content all by yourself. That is to say, you can manage your website by yourself. And this platform includes WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, and so on. That is that. Now, under CMS platforms, we now have e-learning site builders. E-learning site builders or online course website builders. But let me say e-learning website builders. Now, when we are not talking about e-learning site builders, that is to say, when you're building your website, you can either build it using a programming language, that is if you are a programmer, one, and programming websites are always far more expensive than the CMS or the site builders. If you are building a programming website now, you can charge $4,000, $3,000, $2,000. The least I've actually charged for that kind of website is 1,500. Even though I still charge CMS websites for $1,500. But then, if you see a broke person that needs a programming website, they'll still beg you for $1,500 or $2,000. Now, but I don't really do that actually, because I'm not a programmer, even though I know a bit of programming because I studied computer science. Now, let me now continue with the CMS. You can also build your e-learning website using CMS. If you want to make use of WordPress that I mentioned to build your e-learning website, you will make use of Teams. Let me quickly go into this. For you to make your websites and e-learning websites, you have to do two things. If you're making use of CMS, you need to add a template, an e-learning template, an e-learning plugin or e-learning app. So two things makes a website a website. That is to say, if you have a website where you're selling fashion, jewelry, earrings, anything before, you can change that same website to e-learning website by doing two things. First thing is you have to remove the template or the theme or the layout on that website and all the plugins or apps. Plugins are features on a website. plugins are the functionality. That is to say, if you go to a website and you see something that is dancing, it is a plugin that is responsible for that. You go to some website, their banner area will be slider revolution. That is a features that a plugin is responsible for. So anything that you will see on a website, two things makes a website a website: the theme and the plugin or the app. I said plugin or app, and I said theme or layout because based on the website you are using, that will determine what you'll see. Example: if you're making use of WordPress, on WordPress you will see WordPress plugin, WordPress theme. Good. On Wix, you see Wix template. You even see apps. On Joomla, you see extension and templates. Joomla is a CMS website too. So now, based on the platform you are using, that will determine what you see there. I believe you get that. So now, let me now continue. If you want to build your website using CMS, let's use Wix for example, WordPress for example. If you want to use WordPress, I said two things makes a website a website: the theme and the plugin. Now, when you're using Wix, you are using WordPress. I'm just saying Wix. Now, when you're using WordPress, there are different themes that I've actually made
What
use
makes a
of.
website a website? Please, I have a question. Sorry to interrupt. I didn't quite
Okay,
get what you
yeah,
said.
go.
You said two things makes a website a website.
Okay. So what I'm actually saying there is the kind of what makes, yeah, let me just put it the way I put it. I said what makes a website is based on the theme and the plugins that is on it. That is to say, an e-commerce is an e-commerce website because that website is an e-commerce template or e-commerce thing and e-commerce plugin. So I now said something that if you want to make an e-commerce website to become an booking website or medical website, all you have to do is remove the theme, remove the plugins, then add the plugin and the theme of that kind of website you now need. The website to become that thing. Did I answer your question now?
Yes, yes, you did.
Okay, good. So back to what I'm saying. I said if you want to build your e-learning website on WordPress, you make use of two things: the theme and the plugin. WordPress particularly makes you, they call their own theme and they call their features or plugin, whatever they call that, plugin. Now, I now said the ones I've actually used so well plenty times on WordPress themes. I want to type some in the comment section here. Themes that I've used: one, Eduma Academia. So I've actually made use of these two themes, Eduma and Academia, countless times. Countless times. These are themes and they are premium themes. And there are even where you can get free theme, but I don't actually recommend you using free theme for your clients. But then if you have a broke person that needs you to build a website for them, fine. Use this for them. Astra theme. Yeah, Astra is a free theme. And Astra has different templates. Astra has different templates. So now if you are to build a website for someone using WordPress, the network is breaking at my end. Please, is my network breaking everywhere so I can know? Okay, thank you. So probably is your network too much. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I now said if you want to build an e-learning website on WordPress, what you have to do, you have the template, the theme. So I now said the themes that I've personally used countless times. These ones I wrote out for you. I've used it and they work perfectly. Now, Eduma, for example, Eduma comes with two e-learning plugins, which is Tutor LMS, Sensei. Tutor elements and link press. Yeah, press. Yeah, tutor LMS plugins like these two will be inside your team. Once you get the team, like they will say follow com charger. So Eduma has follow com LMS plugin, which is tutor elements and learn press. So these two, once you eventually add it like this, you see your website like this. Your website will be displaying courses already, demo courses actually, demo courses. Your website is now an e-com is now an a course website. Then you start your customization using some page builders like Elementor. Let me say that alone. Elementor, WP Bakery, River Builder, etc. But of all these page builders, Elementor is the simplest, like simplest. That even a newbie can get into it and you build a website with that. Now, enough of once you are able to do this, just customize that all and your website will be working using WordPress. Whereas if you're using Wix, you make use of Wixlearn. Wixlearn. Now, this is for the CMS. That is for the CMS. Now, third one. To the third one I mentioned, I said under CMS. I said it is under CMS because these ones I want to mention also, they are CMS actually. They are CMS because you manage your content yourself, you make it, you do everything yourself. Now, to e-learning site builders, we have different e-learning site builders such as e-learning site builders, Thinkific, Teachable, Kajabi, Podia, Member Vault, Searchy, Skillshare, Katra, and so on. So I've sent them on the chat. Now we have Thinkific, Teachable, Kajabi, Podia, Member Vault, Searchy, Gumroad, Udemy, Skillshare, Katra. I now said and so on. Now you might be thinking that Udemy, I know about that. Yes. Udemy has two features. They has the features for you to be an instructor. That is to say, you can be selling your course there. And you can also go there to learn. So for the if you want to build a course website for someone there, you just help them upload their course on Udemy and they go to promote it. So straight to this e-learning site builders. Now of all these e-learning site builders, the common ones are Thinkific and Teachable. Thinkific and Teachable. Thinkific and Teachable. So now these are the two ones I actually want to talk about. But then Faith May is just joining. So Thinkific and Teachable. So now straight. I will now share my screen. I'll go to Thinkific now. Going straight into it. Thinkific now. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so sorry, I'm trying to share my screen now. What's up? Yeah. Okay. Please, can we all see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Can I respond? Okay. So now this is
Yes, we can see
thinkific.
you.
Thinkific.com. Okay, thank you. Now, thinkific has free plan. They have free and paid plans. Now, this is this free. Now, this is the basic plan, the start plan, then the grow plan. Now, you can see create courses, start communities, build your site, and monetize your expertise. That is that your expertise, you can monetize it. Now, this based on the plan you are using, that would determine what you can do. Now, Thinkific only allows you to add one course for free if you're on their free plan. One course. That is, you can add one course if you are using their free plan. Most of these clients, when they come to you, they'll be like, fine, I want to upload, I want to be personal. I would be like, see, if you're unsure of what you expect, after I've sent you my samples, I'll tell you what, if you're unsure of what you will get, create design says so do everything and you get to see it. After I'm done with that, then you make your decision if you can now pay for their plan once you are now sure of what you want to get. Now let me continue. This is one course, one community, two spaces per community, one digital download, one administrator, unlimited students, zero transaction fee. Now look at all these ones. You can't do that. No. So this is it based on your plan, based on your plan, based on your plan. So that is that. So now see the features here. Amazing, create amazing products. That is what you can do on Thinkific. You create amazing products, build websites to market your business, generate income by selling, grow and scale your business. So that is just that. Now, I said we are starting with this. Now, let's get started for free. I beg, what's up? What's up? This kind of small. Okay, let's sign up this book. I beg. What's your company size? We are men. Actually, all this would have been done by your clients. You get, but we are just we are creating the accounts. Okay, so there's it. Now, once you come to a Thinkific account, this is how it be. You can see my website now. Christiana hyphen s hyphen sites this and another. Yeah, that's my website. Now, straight to it. This is how Thinkific dashboard looks like. There's it. This is how the dashboard looks like. So now, the first thing you do when you are creating a Thinkific account for a client, when you think clients, first thing is you do course uploading, which was the thing that we talked about here on the group. Here on the group, uploading to any preferred LMS platform. Uploading to any preferred LMS platform. Now, uploading, that is the first thing that we have to do. Now, we are not doing this. Now, uploading, if you are to upload, this is where you come to your products, then your courses. Then you click on the courses here. Now, that is when you upload. No, I said last week that we will use someone's course to do this thing. Now, who has done their own that will be using? Because that was one of the reasons why I said we should do it, because I want us to use someone's course to do our own uploading actually. So, who now? Who we use? But let me just explain out what the dashboard and everything is. Now, this is the logo, Thinkific. Greg Greg Smith owns Thinkific, and Thinkific started 2010. Was it 2010? Yeah, 2010. That was, I think, 14 years ago. That was when Thinkific started. When Thinkific started, there was nothing like Thinkific. Like, you can't even have an idea about to get about it or anything. Now there are so many videos on YouTube where you can get Thinkific, this Thinkific, that Thinkific, that. Now, this is home. Then we have products. Under products, we have courses. The thing is, all this jewelry and all, whatsoever you can sell, whatsoever you are selling is products. No, under products, we have courses. That is your courses. Now you will see video librariness. I beg, if you are creating, you want to do a website for a client, and that client is telling you that one video is 1.2 gig, don't try. Like, most especially if it's Thinkific, tell the client to come to the video library. Make sure the client should come and upload the video, him or herself. Don't make that mistake. When I started Thinkific, that was 5 years ago. My first job ever on Thinkific. That time I got the job $50. I just want to have so many samples, because when you are just starting out with something, you just want to have a lot of portfolio, just to use video portfolio. I got that job $50. The client wants to upload courses, just one course. I did not know his video. The client now gave me access to his drive. I saw one video 1.2 gig, second video 1.3 gig, third video, and these videos are 7, because the client has 7 modules. Each video is each modules. I was Now I did data. I downloaded. Our Nigerian network now. I would have downloaded to 780 something MB. Network will go off. I have to start to learn. And I was not still able to upload this thing. I had to tell the client, I said, sir, please, I'll need your favor, something from you. Please help me go into the Thinkific. And I gathered him. I told him, upload the videos. Just tell the client to upload it. All their videos here. That is, if you're working with any client and you are hearing them, this is a video course, this and that, I beg, tell the client to come and upload. Well, if you want to learn, try it too. You can just take the job. So that's actually affected, because Nigeria network is not like that. They're on in the United States. I uploaded that 3 days I was still on it. I was not able to upload videos because of bad network. So that is video libraries. You can tell your client to upload the videos, and some clients will actually upload the videos there. They won't bother to stress you. Just be selecting it when you're building your website. No, third one you're seeing here is communities. Communities. When you subscribe to a channel, you see those people that used to sell courses. When you pay that, when you enroll to their courses and all, they'll be like, they will add you to their community and all and all. Yeah. When people enroll into this course, they should be added to a community too. They should be added to their community. Now, the community will help you to be able to reach out to them, talk to them once. Instead of you having to enter this one's CM, this one's CM, you can actually dispatch information. Your students can actually discuss. They can actually reach out for help from here. Now, see what is here. Get your community, this and that, get your community up and running today. Is that easy? Blah blah blah. Yeah. Very powerful community where your students can connect and learn from each other. They can easily connect with you, learn from each other, because they can easily just talk. I need this. Oh, I'm working on this. Who can help me? I'm doing this and that. Now, all under your own brand, free of third party ads and all. Now, just start the community. Now, features to keep your audience engaged. You connect communities to courses. Organize with flexible spaces, engage with threads and reactions. That is why, once there's a group and there's a community, they will tell you, guys, react, guys, always comment on the group, guys, always do this, guys, always do that. Yes, just to keep the community active. Then you see interact using profiles and mentions. Now that is community. Now the next one is digital downloads. Digital download. Who is giving us link course like this that we used to do this thing? Because nobody is sending course. So yeah. Don't worry, I'll just generate random content. We just use and do something. Digital downloads. I'm sorry, oh guys, my network is just I don't know, it's just kind of slow. But let me just explain what digital download is. Digital download is like things like ebooks. It's thank God it has it. You see, create leads or create any digital downloads. Simply upload new or existing lightweight digital downloads like ebooks, guides, templates. Now that is to say, if you have someone that wants to sell their ebooks, they don't have to go to Amazon. Hmm? They can sell it on Thinkific. You have someone that has a template that he or she wants to sell, they can come here on Thinkific. They have guides, they have digital things, they have files. They can please guys, there was what was the last thing I said? Because my network logged me out.
We're talking about digital
Hello?
downloads.
Can anyone hear me?
Yes, we're talking about digital downloads that if anybody has any that he or she wants to sell that can sell on the
Ah, please, I didn't hear you get that.
I said you were talking about digital downloads that if anybody has anything that he wants to sell, that if you
Oh,
digital something that you can sell on TikTok.
okay. Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh, Guys, I'm sorry, please. I had to quickly change my network. Like, no vex, people. Um, please, can I start now? Like, can we hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, thank you. Mhm. So now let me start now. Thank you. Let me start recording and share my screen back. Oh, it's still recording. Okay, good. So let me just share my screen. So this is okay. I think I was explaining digital downloads then. So what I was explaining regarding digital download is you don't have to sell courses alone. So that is if you have someone that comes to you that I want you to help me, I have ebooks, this and that, and I would like to sell. Or if you're a content writer here and someone you help someone with content, you've written the content and the ebook is very okay, fine. You can sell it on thinkific too. It will even be an advantage because now let me just drop this. Most of these authors they like to sell the ebooks as courses. So if you start offering this as a service now, some people will come to you that I have an ebook that I would like you to help me migrate into a course. No, you don't even have to not tell the person. Fine, you just tell the person that fine, let's do it this way. We have this as a course and still have it as ebooks. So you can be selling both two in one business like that. So the person will be selling course, still be selling ebooks. That actually you just giving a professional advice will actually add up to your pocket because you collect money for uploading the ebook and you collect money for uploading the course instead of you charging for one. So and it will be an advantage for the clients also because when people are coming to the website, they will see the courses, they will see the ebooks, and they'll be buying both. You understand? So now that is what I was actually explaining regarding digital downloads. And I said live events is still under construction. So the next one is memberships. Now, under membership, I was not explaining what membership is. I don't said if you are into like that was when I talked about me being a network marketer. So as a network marketer, there's something we do every year. We call it ID renewal. That is identification number renewal. You have to renew it. If you have a driver's license now, at some point they'll tell you that it has expired that you have to renew again. Yes, that is membership. Once you subscribe to that plan, you have to be renewing it. You can actually make your course to a membership kind of thing, whereby people will be paying for it every month, or maybe every 3 months, or every 6 months, or yearly. Now, if you see this, earn recurring revenue with memberships. Now, but one thing is when it comes to memberships any course that is memberships, they are not always so expensive like others. It's for a long time, so they are not always expensive, and the information you give out will kind of be more. So that is why, like in memberships course now, you see them, they'll be like you might only have access to module 1 and 2 alone, module 1 and 2 for this month. When you pay next month, you have access to this one. When you pay again following month, you have access to this. That way you'll be able to keep your students for a long time because they know that wow, if not much they've gotten value from the first one, they will come back. You understand? So if you see enjoy a steady income stream while providing your audience with exclusive access to content, perks, and private dedicated groups of now, but we have to upgrade to be able to have access to. Now, give your members a reason to keep coming back. As an instructional designer that you want to be, you need to have reasons for your clients to keep coming back. You actually need that. That is why it's actually best when you can write course content and you can do course websites, because most of the clients that will come to you, even some of them that will come to you that they want to do websites, they don't even have the content. They don't have the content yet. And when they don't have the content, you just tell them, fine, you don't have the content. Because when you're discussing with them, you let them know, fine, before I can help you with the uploading of the course, I will before I can help you with the course website, I would like to ask, do you have the course content? Sometimes to say, no, 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 I don't have them. Tell them you're a course content creator and you can help them with it. And they'll pay you. they will pay you well, well, well. They will pay you. Like I've seen it. There's a client I worked for last year. I think around September. She came for course website normally. And I asked her, here's the content. She said she's still working on it. Working on what? I can help you work on it. Let's work on it together. And the clients came. We discussed. I think I charged her $500 for the course content, and the course website $300, and we did it, and it was done. That is how it is. So if you know both is an advantage, and that is what we are having here. That is why please don't make sure we all work on the course content. I beg you, because I don't want you guys to lose money after this class. You understand? So give your members a reason to keep coming back. So that's for memberships. Then we have channels. We have channels. That is under channels, you have the website. So the website, that is, let me just click on it. And then be using mouth to explain so we can actually see for ourselves. Ah, you're not hearing again. Abi. Is it now? Please, if you are not hearing me, please just unmute yourself and just say something. I beg. I don't want to be talking to myself, please. If you just stop hearing me, just
We
unmute
are
yourself.
hearing you. We are
Okay,
hearing
you
you.
can hear me.
Yes.
Okay, because I saw a message on the chat. Okay, so on that website, this is boost your course potential. Set up your courses with success by driving leads and growing your audience with free download funnel. Offer ideas, this and that and that. Now you can see under the website, these are what we have. One, we have the home page. Now, when you go to jumia.com, that first page that you are landed on, we call it home page. Home page is the front page of a website, and every website has home page. Even though website designers has a way of manipulating things actually, but then home page is the front page of a website. Now we have checkout page. When you are done purchasing, they will direct you to somewhere. That's page students see after purchasing learning products. Now we have sign in page, where your existing students will sign up, where your new students can sign up. All courses, this is where all your courses will be displayed. Student dashboard, this is their dashboard after they've logged in. Coming soon, that is when you are still working on your website. Then student certificate page, that is where they will access their certificates once you are done. So you can choose to create more pages. Actually, you can see if you want to create more pages, you just come here, new costume page. Get, so that is that. Now let me go to the next one, which is theme library. Remember when I started, I said two things makes a website. But just one thing, even nothing makes an e-learning site builder a course website, actually. Because e-learning site builders are only for e-learning. That's why it is called e-learning site builders. E-learning site builders are only for e-learning, not for anything. Only for learning, not for anything. That is to say, you can't come here and say you want to be selling wheat. No, not allowed. You can't come here and say you want to be selling something. No, 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 no. You can't. You can go for e-commerce site builders too, like Shopify, like Volution, like PrestaShop, and so on. But this is e-learning. No. Under here too, we have theme library. Now, theme library we have. Oh, this is Vogue, but let me show you the ones they have. Thinkific only has TV themes. TV themes. The first one is Empire, Vogue, and Vision. Empire, Vogue, and Vision, and they all have their differences. Now let's see. A clean modern team that puts your business, blah blah blah. Now this is how Vogue team looks like. See. No, this is Empire. Sorry, not Vogue. This is. So now, why am I showing you this? No, if a client should come to you and gives you a sample, I want you to help me with my Thinkific website and send you a sample. You should have an idea. You should have an idea of the theme that the person is using. Maybe you have to change theme. You should have an idea. Now that's it. So you just check and check and check. Okay, based on the reference that this client sent to me, which team aligns this and that because they have their differences. That is the first one. Now we have Vogue. Now this is Vogue. Now let's see. You can see these two. So now these are the samples of what can be created while you are using that particular template. That's that. Now the third one, let's check. That's vision. You should have vision, oh, everybody. Um, it's taking to load. It's taking time to load, but then you just check. Everyone will still do around, so we'll check. So anyone you want to add, maybe we will now want to go for this particular vision. Once click on it, you install. Yes, copy my content. Transfer data from book. Yeah, got it. So that's that. We've installed it now. You can see that this one is installed, this one is installed. Two teams installed on the website. Now you need to now activate one. Which one do you want to activate? You should activate now. This is one we added. So publish. Sorry, no. On WordPress we activate. On thinkific we publish. So publish. Once you've published it, it will move here. So any published theme is what you see at the top. At the top, that's what you see at the top. Yeah. Now, if you want to build, you now start building. We get. Now, let me move to the next one. Categories. This is where you create categories based on what you are doing. Category. Maybe you have like if you're having different instructors on your on your website now, you can create their categories for their courses. You can create that. This is where you preview. Then widgets. Now, this like if you should add these widgets, the time I worked on it, it will be like you copying a code. If you go to your code and you copy it, it's now be showing on your website. In your website, on one section like that on your website, it will be showing there. Now, the marketing, you see, we have lead, funnels, affiliates, email marketing. They are still coming soon. Thinkific is really upgrading their platform. You see, that is why we need to upgrade our skills. We can't just keep moving with the same knowledge and the same experience. Like this particular Thinkific now, as at 3 years ago, this way is not how they were before. They've added a lot of things and they're even adding some things now. So this is sales. Now let me explain this because clients used to ask for it. No, bundles. You know, bundles is just when you are able to combine things for people and you are able to sell it at a discounted price. Example, you have 5 courses on your website and one course is $50. One course is $50, but if you buy all these 5, you will take it for $200. That is bundles. Package courses and community together with bundles. Bundles are a great way to package and sell your courses with various pricing options. So now, this like I used to actually recommend this for clients a lot. I'll let you know that, see, if you have 5 courses on your website, I will advise you to actually make it a bundle. You making it a bundle is you will just set a discount. A discount. One course is $50. If you buy 5, you pay $200. People will watch it than now they will watch your one course. So that is bundles. Is actually a way for you to do things. Now the next one is coupon. Coupon. That is when you give them a coupon code. You set up a coupon, create discounts and options with coupon. Think if a coupon lets you build promotions and grow. And yeah, that's coupon. You just give them the code. Now the next one is orders. That is where you see your orders. While Revenue partner, that is if you have people that they partner with you actually. So now the next one, users. Now users, we have all user A, we have group. Okay, fine. Let me explain certificates too. Not all these all everything they list there is actually useful for you, you get, but the necessary ones are explaining to you. So when you have a client, now certificate is very important. Now when you should attend the school, now once you are done, they will give you your certificate that congratulations on this and that. Yes, fine. You can also do that on thinkific too. You can see create a digital course certificate. Certificates are a great way to reward your students for completing courses and keeping them engaged. You can automatically issue certificates each time your students complete a course. So for you to do that, you just come to new certificate. They have their designs there already. You just have to edit your color, put your logo, finish. You see, this is just it. So now, if you want to use this, for example, let me change since I'm on this already. If this is what you want to use, now you see content. You add your content here, like you give it a name. Training, your e-learning bootcamp certificate. E-learning bootcamp. That's the name of the certificate. That is to say, this is the certificate that everyone that attends this e-learning bootcamp will be getting. Now, you can change the thing. Maybe you don't want it to be certificate. Maybe you want it to be certified. Just put it. Once you are changing it to be reflecting, but I'm not changing it. Certificate. Yeah. So whatsoever anything you want to change, just come here and change everything, you get. So and the design, you can change it to the color, the font, the background image, your logo. You put the logo of the client there, you put it there. So that's just, and once you're done, you save, finish. Once you save, once those students are finishing the courses, then they have access to the certificate. Sure, you understand. So these are part of what you have to tell your clients when you guys are on the call or when you're discussing about the project. Now, notification email, you don't need a student progress, just to know how your students are progressing. Discussions, when there are discussions, assignments. Once you've added assignments in your lessons, this is where you'll be seeing it. Same as quiz or surveys. And when anyone reviews your course, so maybe they gave you 1 star. This course, I hate it. Is a lie. Is this? Yes, you get all your reviews here. Then analytics. That is how you see the analysis of how people are coming and willing buying your revenue, how people are engaging and everything. Then your course. Then let me explain this integration too. Integration. Now, integration. Now, why did I actually want to explain this? Because there are some other features that you can do on there are some other features that you can do on Thinky. Other things you can do. I said something earlier. I said theme and plugin, right? But here, this is just an integration, but you do integration with apps too, yet. So now we have Zapier, we have MailChimp for email marketing, we have Zoom for live session. So when your client wants to do live session, you add that. Once a client, you and the client you are talking, and the client is like, I would like it to be a live kind of class, this and that. Automatically know inside your head that the client will be you. You understand? So here are popular ones. So, but if you want to check their store, just come here. Just click on visit app stores, so you see different ones. You see different ones. Once you just click visit app store, you get it will show you different ones, different ones. Just check and check and check and check based on what is needed. Just use. So that's that. Now let us now start. Let me now say this again. When what I sent on the group, I said after course outline, course curriculum, interactive elements, uploading to CMS. Now, a client comes to you, you've done all that. You now want to work on their course website. Number one, what do? You upload their courses. You upload their courses. That is the first thing you do. You upload their courses. And when you want to charge for this, don't just charge anyhow. You need to know how long is your course. Some clients will have a course that is up to 20 modules with 17 lessons each. And you said, one course uploading is $30 or is $50. See, you have to see Shaggy while you are doing that job. Because the client will still be disturbing that. Why, when are you be done? This and that and that and that. So make sure that you get to know how long is your course, how many modules is the course, and everything before you now say, okay, this is the amount I'm charging. That is why I can charge one course uploading for $200 and I can charge another course uploading for $75. How long is the course? That really matters, you get. So that's the second thing I do. You upload course. Once you're now done uploading the course, the next thing you have to do is you have to design the sales page. You design the sales page for the course, because every sales page has their every course has their sales page. That is to say, if the client is telling you that I'm uploading 5 courses, know that you are designing 5 sales pages and you are designing home page again. Now, Ellen said something. I said, if your client should have more than one course, then design a sales page. Design the home page rather, sorry. If your client should have more than one course, design the home page. Why should you design the home page? When you design the home page, this will enable you to be able to add all those courses on the webs on the home page. So when people just come christianathinkific.com, perhaps when they come to that website, they'll be able to see all my courses on the home page. Then they can click on any one that they feel like they want to check out. Do you understand? So it's very important. After you are done uploading the course, you design the sales page. You design the sales page. And now, once you are now done, if you now want to do extra work for the clients, help them create their about page separately. And that is if a client should have more than 3-4 courses. If a client should have one page, just one course, make sure that the about page is still on the website, on that sales page. I'll see show us everything. I'm just explaining. So what you do, what I'm saying now is what you do when you get a course job. The content part, I believe we can answer to that. We have answers to that. Now you upload the courses. After you're done uploading the courses, you design the sales pages. And if the client should not have more than one course, you design the home page. You design the home page. And also, if you want to do extra work for the client, help the client to do about us page separately. About us page separately. Just help the client to do that. Then you can now do contact page separately too. You get, but contact page is not too necessary, but about page you can help them do separately, then put a way that people can reach out to them too on their about page. So that is that. Now, let us now go straight into how do we do it. How do we do it? Number one. So I said course uploading, right? Now, for you to upload course, you come to product courses. Is which course are we now using now? Well, since just this one. Okay. So I saw one on the group. We'll just use it like that. Don't worry. It will be corrected later. Since you didn't send it on time. Explains how the sleep and aging. Okay. So now this is courses. Create a course that converts. Drag and drop, no design, flexible course, blah blah blah. Yeah, that's it. So now we have instructors here. Who are instructors? Instructors are the teachers, are the trainers. You get. Now, if you want to add your instructors' details on the website, this is where you come to. You click on courses, then you click on instructors, then you click on new instructor. Then you add their first name, their last name, their email, their title, their biography, then their picture. If you should not add it here, you can't add it on inside the sales pages or anywhere. Just note that. So that's that. Now let's go to course because we are actually on course at the moment. Please, are we understanding what I'm actually doing? Please, If you are not understanding me, if you have questions, I beg, ask me before we go far. I beg. Now, the question. Okay. So, when you're creating a thinkific website, we have templates. Choose a course template. Each template has what they are made for. Now we have blank. Choose a pre-sale landing page and get started. Mini course, flagship course, webinar replay, membership resource replay, blah blah blah. Now you can choose anyone. Like I repeat, anyone. But this pre-sale is just for people to be able to wait. Like create a pre-sale landing page and start building a wait list. Like that is for waiting, that the ones that you want them to wait. Then this one is a mini course. Like when you are having courses that maybe they are not long, like a bootcamp kind of thing, then you can make use of this. You get. Then a flagship course, that is full course, like that has plenty things since I use flagship course. So we just have some these ones. So based on what you want, and you can just start from scratch. But then the ones I used to use, like it depends on the client's course. That's why I said you should get to know the course type, how long it is it a mini course, is it a short course, is it a full one. Once you get to know, then you can just start. Now let me use blank. No, let me just be showing you guys action. Let me be showing you so you can just know. Now look at this now. They already gave me the template. You see that it is very short. Instruction for this template, how to use the template. You are on the wait list. Gaskia, that's all. That's just very short because you are waiting. You are on the wait list. You get. So that is that for that. Let me go back. I just want to show us several ones. I'm not even sure I'll show us everything. We can easily explore them on our own. Oh, then we have to delete one first. Edit. I believe you know why it's like that, because a free thinkific course allows you to add just one. So I have to delete this before I can create another one. So let me delete. Bam, bam. Yes, delete this course. Then I can go back. New course. So the one I used earlier is pre-sale. If you choose mini course, you see it will still give you the same template like that, but not for waiting. If you should use flagship, it will give you a robust one, plenty. Yeah, so that is just that. So let me just use blank. So I'm creating mine from scratch. Now this is, so I'll be the one to add my content, my quizzes, everything myself because I just blank. Now let's build your course. The curriculum tab is where you will determine the layout of your course, add your content, include quiz, survey, discussions, and more. Click the add button on the left to get started. Now, this is curriculum. We have bulk importer. Bulk importer is if you want to upload in bulk. Like you can easily upload in bulk, make changes in bulk and everything. Now we have settings. Settings is where you set the name of your course. Maybe you made a mistake while you were adding it there. You can come here and easily change anything. Come here, add. Maybe it's 101, put it. You want to change the link. Maybe the link is too long. And I used to say something, don't like your course link to just be long. No, it should not be long. Like, what's the essence? So you can shorten it here, you can reduce it. LD sleep, maybe you just make the LD sleep, just reduce it. It's okay like that. LD sleep, yes. No, you see, choose instructors. Why is it like this? Because like there is one website I'm actually working on at the moment. That client has up to 60 coaches on that website. Like crazy. No, if someone should upload a course, then for you to be able to upload this, you must make sure that what's the name of the owner of this particular course, so I can know who to when to add it and the name to add. So you don't end up putting one name, one instructor's name on all the courses. It is different, you get. Now, so you just have to know, then you select. Once you've selected, you can see you can make the course private or public, but then you have to upgrade to do that. Disable text copy. Some people used to go to someone's website and copy anything. You can disable your own that. Oh yeah, you will not be able to copy it, you get. Now, then the image and description. When you're uploading a course, you should make sure you ask for the course image from the client, but you can as well design for the client. And ask for course image, and you can as well design. And the size of the image is 760 by 420 pixels. You add it here. Then the course product description, that's the course description actually. So you add the description of the course, you add it here. All these remaining ones, you don't need this. All these ones, that is, no, you don't need it. You don't need this. Oh, you need this SEO part, sorry. You need this SEO part, SEO settings. And if you want to do the SEO settings, is like you should charge additional fee for it. You should let the client know that I will, like, the website I will do for you be SEO optimized. And you don't just come here and write anything, you would actually do the job. You make sure you get the SEO title for this, for the course, SEO description for the course, keywords for the course. That is the keywords that will be ranking online, where the course will now eventually be showing the description too and everything. So once you're not done with that, so that's just it. That is just that's just under settings. Once you're done, make sure you save. Oh yeah. You can unmute yourself and say something. You raise your hand.
Okay, I wanted to ask, how do we get the SEO keywords? How do we know that they are SEO keywords?
You like I actually make use of I do research personally and I use AI for it. For that particular course, I will search it online. Healthy sleep and aging. Healthy sleep and aging course. Even sometimes I will even go to Udemy. Yeah. Like just let me say that. I'll go to Udemy. Once I get to Udemy, I'll search for that name. For the name of that course that my own clients want to do. Like this particular thing, I call that is SEO. Then I also used to do something for my clients. I call it price research. Because some clients they don't even have an idea of the price that they can give to their course. I'll help them do the research. The name of their course, I'll take it on and I believe people are offering that particular something similar. I'll get their name and the name, get the idea. Now, when I don't go to Udemy, I will search elder sleep and aging, for example. Now, I will not go and check what is that keyword that everyone that they are selling that thing is using. I will not be able to guess to that. Okay, this is the keyword. So once I now get that, I will now go and make use of AI to complete the rest. Did I answer your question?
Yes, you have.
Thank you. Let's continue. So that is that. Just make sure you save. You get make sure you save because if you did not save everything you said you think you've done, nothing is working. Now the next one is drip schedule. So now this to determine how you want the student to be having access to the content. I want them to have access to chapter 1 today. Chapter 2 should be next day with this. Next chapter should be next 5 days. This is where you set it. I call it drip. No, I do not call it. That's the name thinkific calls it. Drip schedule. But you can't do that on a free plan, but it's easy to do. Drip schedule. Now the next one is pricing. This is where you set your prices. Free plan, one-time payments, subscription and membership, monthly payment plan, and you want to add additional price, that's where you add it. Now, after purchase, what happens after they've purchased your course? This is it. Okay, I thought someone is raising hand. Okay. This is where you set up the flows of what happens after they are done purchasing. Now, after that, no, I'm not learning anything. I beg. Yes, I am. Now, then the last one is publish. Publish. This is where you set it. You publish. So once you are just done, you have to publish the course. Hey, I'm here to verify. Verify now. So once you're just done, you just click publish, then your course is live. Now, back to where we are coming from. Let's start uploading a course. We've given it a name. What's the name of our chapter one? Let me check what is mandate. Okay, introduction to sleep and aging. You upload it, save. Now, that is the module. Then the lessons. What are the things you can actually upload? Number one, videos. Number two, PDFs. Third one, text. Next one, audios. Next one, downloads. Next one, presentation. Live. But for this live to work, you have added that Zoom that we saw under that integration. Remember? Now we have multimedia. We have quiz. We have survey. We have assignments. We have exams. And we still have this that you can try for free, though they are paid. Now, we want to add text now. What is the name of our lesson? Lesson one is what? And once you're adding it, don't go and put lesson one. No. Let me just copy the whole thing and show you. Don't now come here and add lesson one, introduction. So you don't need that lesson one at all. We already know that that's lesson one. So you don't need to add it. Just put the name straight. Just put the name straight. Then now that your curriculum that I said you guys should work on, this one that sent in zone is yet to actually add. Let me quickly just use AI to generate something. I'm coming. A second. This one is even giving me something else. Just let me copy this back. Now, assuming this is my content. This is my content here. You just paste it here. This is it. Just paste it once you are done. Now you see this. Make this a free preview lesson. Make this a prerequisite. Now this prerequisite is when you don't want them to be able to skip it, because if you do not add that, they can easily skip it, and even they skip it, they might not read it, because you know how people can be sometimes. So when you are working for a client, make sure you make that is compulsory. You guys, you must follow it. Is a must. I even think I have a paid job that I'm working on. Let me see. I don't actually like using my client's job for training. Let me see if I can just show you something. I should ask for code. I'll maybe show you. Payments. Okay, I'll be able to show you that. I actually just want to show you how that works on the client job, but then the client has changed details because they are done with the job. So this is it. So once you just do that, so enable discussion for this lesson. Can people discuss about it? If you should click on it, you get. So remove margins and costly. Yeah, you can do that. Then you save. Make sure you save. Very important. Very important. So now these are the things you can also add in your course. Like in this particular one, this is font size, text. You can add image, a video, and all. If you know, I explained something on that video library. If you've added your videos to that list over there that I showed you, that you've added the videos, once you come here to do videos, you see there are no videos in your video library yet. As mean there are videos there, it will just drop down and show you the list of the video. You cannot click on one, and it's your ad automatically. And if you don't have that, you can also upload by URL. You just paste the link of the video here. Let me quickly get one video from YouTube and send another. YouTube. Course tutorial. Let me just copy one video link. It's okay. So let's move. Skip. Now copy video URL. Thank you. Now let me paste here and insert. You can see this is the video that I uploaded from YouTube now. You just get the video link, then you paste it. So you can also add that there. This is the video now. So just make sure that you save once you are done. You get. So now I've added text this time. Now video, same process. PDF. You just select the PDF normally. Just browse file, add file, and it will be uploaded. Now let me use this quiz here. Quiz very important, because most of these clients, once you are working for them, they will tell, when you guys are discussing, they will tell you that they want there to be quizzes at the end of their modules. So module 1, lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there should be a quiz. Now how do you now upload that quiz? This is, you just come here to add lesson, add a quiz. Add a quiz. What's the title of the quizzes? Module 1 quiz. But you just name it though. I'm just giving it this module 1 quiz. Then add question. This is where you add the question. What is an what is learning to the society? It's e-learning. Now choices. Now to aid distance learning, that's choice 1. Click this for comfortability. If you want to now add more options, you see that there's no more options. No, because some clients will give you questions and they will have four answers, A, B, C, D. You don't have to add A. Like me coming here now, I should not say A. This, no, you don't need to add A. You automatically know that that is A. So you delete it. You add 1, 2. You now need more. You click add choice for something else, for ease. Then you add more. If you still need more answers, then for you know, once you're not done, you now click the right answer. You click the right answer. Maybe A is the answer. You just click it. You've done that. Then make sure you save. Pam, you are saved. Now the way to display to students, it will show them that A is the answer. But once they are now done, you should not let them know that A should be the answer. That is how it works. So that is how you add quiz. So if you want to add more, you add again. You follow the same process. Once you're done, you add again, you add again. So that is how you add that. Now, next one that I want to explain is presentation. I think I have a presentation file on my laptop. Presentation. I think I have presentation, but I'm not even seeing it. I still want to show us how presentation will look like, but then I don't have any presentation file. But once you just come here, why I actually want to show you this is you can't upload PPT file here. You can't upload. Now, when the client should not give you presentation file, it will automatically be in PPT format. Automatically, because that is presentation format. Presentation, I believe you all know slides. That is presentation. Now, what you have to do is go and convert it to PDF and make use of ilovepdf.com. I love PDF. Let me send the link to the comment section. We can't add the quizzes. Yeah, the quizzes is different. Like the quizzes is a platform for quiz uploading, but you also have quiz uploading features inside thinkific. Please share I answered your question. Please unmute yourself and say something. Quizzes.com is okay. Yes, okay, good. So some clients, they don't even want to have anything, but they just need that they can upload it there. But yeah, you have to upload it inside thinkific again. So that's it. So that's why when you're discussing with your client, you would have asked the person, fine, this course that you want me to create content for. Where do you think you will upload it, or where are you looking at to do the uploading? Some clients will be like, I actually don't have an idea. If you work on Upwork, see, abeg go and create the consultation, because they'll be coming to, they don't know anything like this. They will just do consultation and you talk with them. Fine, I'll help you with this. You explain what you do, you create course outline, you explain what curriculum outline is. I'll do curriculum, you explain that. I will help you with quizzes too, so your students can do this, your student can do that. The client just like you already, and you now ask the person, once I'm done with the course content part of things, where do you want to upload it? Do you have a LMS platform already? Some clients will tell you yes. You ask them, what's the name? You can hear Podia. Okay, fine. I can help you with the uploading. Talk ahead. Because that client might be thinking of giving the uploading to someone else, or thinking that you are just a course content expert. Let them know that you help you with the uploading. And if the client is just free, just tell the client that I will help you with suggestions. You cannot tell the client, we have thinkific, we have this one, we have that one, we have that one, but the best I will recommend is thinkific, the best I will recommend is teachable. Then, and this is why I recommend it, this is why I recommend that, and everything. And the clients will be like, wow, good, awesome, yes, good. Once you are done, do the uploading. Then you charge them together, but make sure it is a milestone you get. So that's just that. So let me continue. So now, I sent something on the group. I love pdf.com. I love pdf.com. So now, you just go to I love PDF. Let me quickly share this tab. This is I love PDF. Can we say I love PDF? I think yes. Yeah, good. This is I love pdf.com. Now, I love PDF. Everything you need to work with PDF in one file. Match PDF, split PDF, compress, PDF to Word, you can convert it here. PowerPoint to PDF, you can do it here. PDF to PowerPoint. Now, this is what you will click when you want to do that. PowerPoint to PDF. You convert that your PowerPoint slide that your clients gave to you to PDF before you can upload it. Now, let me share here. Do you understand what I said? You convert it, then you come to upload it, because if you do not do that, you will not be able to upload, and you'll be like, this PDF, this PPT is not uploaded. It won't upload though. But once you've now converted it and you now upload it here, it will still display like a PPT, like a presentation thing. But that is just that them you have to convert because of the way they do their own uploading, their own websites. You have to just follow. Now that's that for that. I believe we are following. So other ones, they are just easy to actually navigate. You get those easy and most of the ones that the clients will actually ask for, because most of my clients, and I've been doing this for a very long time, they will ask for video. Like they want to upload video, they want to upload text, they want to upload PDF, they want to upload audio, they want to upload download, you want to upload presentation and quiz and survey. Finish. You get, and that is how to do it. Now, once you are done, I've explained all this. What is the next thing that you have to do? I said once you are done with course uploading, what is the next thing that I said we have to do, guys? Drop it in the comment section for me. I said after course uploading, we'll do something else. What is the next thing that we'll do? So we can start out thing that we should do. I'm waiting. After course uploading, what's next? I said after you are done with course uploading, you will now do this one. What is the next thing? I just want to be sure that you guys are for sales page design. Good. Okay, sales page design. Now, how do we now design the sales page? Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Good. You guys are following me. Now, you come here, build landing page. Build landing page. So now, for you to be able to build landing page, you just have to click build landing page. Build landing page. Now, in Thinkific, we call it landing page. In Teachable, we call it sales page. Let me recap. In Thinkific, we call it landing page. In Teachable, we call it sales page. Different names. Sales page and landing page. So that is to say, if as me this is Teachable now, you'll be like, I'm not seeing landing page. You won't see landing page, or you find it in eternity, you won't see. What you'll be seeing is sales page, sales page, sales page, sales page. And you need to understand these lingos, because if a client will come to you and you're not saying Teachable landing page, the client will be like, guy, I'm not sure you are sure of what you are saying. Like, you don't even know what you are doing. You need to understand these things. Even you should be enlightening the clients. If a client should be telling you that I want to design a landing page in Teachable, you should tell the client that, sorry, let me correct you. In Thinkific, we call it landing page. In Teachable, we call it sales page. Your clients will be like, oh, okay, fine. Yes, you are the expert. Yes, yes. Because for a client to tell you that you're an expert, the client has seen you that you've done something that actually portrays you as an expert. Now, let us continue. Now, this is how where we want to be at our sales page. What are the things that we have to do? A Thinkific landing page is a page where your students lands on, that will now as a CTA, which is call to action, that will direct them to the checkout page. I repeat, a landing page, or let me say a Thinkific landing page, is a page that your students land on, that we as a CTA, which means call to action button, that will direct them to the checkout page. Now, what should a Thinkific sales page include? Number one, the image in the banner area. And that is what I have here. If I'm designing a website, this is what I used to do. One, I used to look for inspiration personally. Once I now have inspiration, and I get my inspiration from different places, I can go to Pinterest to get my inspirations. I'll just search Thinkific coaching websites, Thinkific coaching pages, Thinkific yoga websites, Thinkific this page. They will give me samples to check from. I'll just check and check and check, get ideas. And sometimes I used to sleep and get my inspiration. I used to just get it from imagination. I'll just like that's why when I'm designing a website, I like to be okay, to be calm, because that will give me a person to be able to do what I want to do. Because when I'm unstable or when I'm bothered, I'm not able to think straight. So I don't know how it can work for you, but I personally, I'm actually talking about myself here. So now, if you want to build a Thinkific website, you can get your inspirations once you now have your inspirations. But the main important thing, very important thing that should be on your sales page or your landing page, number one, your banner. That's your image. Now I have the banner here. Banner. Now, Thinkific landing pages Thinkific landing page are made up of sections. We have different sections. Sections, yes, sections. You can see add a new section. And the sections include additional products, up category, up pricing, banner, this, that. No, you'll be thinking something like, this one is banner course. What's the difference? Yeah, good. Because you might want to ask and you might not choose to ask. Now, banner course means The banner that is always in the course landing page. Banner that is always in the course landing page. When you should get to home page, you won't see banner for course, you see banner. Do you understand? So we have bonus material, we have call to action for course, still the same explanation. We have categories, we have checklists, we have countdown timer, we have curriculum, we have frequently asked questions, we have icon and text, we have image and CTA, image gallery, and this and that and that. Now let us start design. The first one is, I said, banner. Banner. After we've added banner, what is the next thing that we should now do after the banner? Now, maybe we should just be adding as we are doing it. No, let me start here. Header. On header, we have our logo. If I want to upload any logo here, this is where I get to upload it. Now, which image should I use as logo? I'm coming. Let me use this one as logo. This is not my logo. I just want to add something. You get, just for me to add something. Because if I say we should be going to Canva to be designing, it takes time. No, I've added my logo. You see, now I can reduce the size because it's kind of drop down. I can reduce the image size. It will go up. Okay, it's better this way, or I can still reduce it more. It's better like this. Yes. Now, after I've done that, what else do I do? Now, click on theme settings. Theme settings will show you different things. You see colors, you see styles, but this one is not important. Site preview, that's where you want to preview your website. Now, this is where you add your colors. What is the color that you want to add? I want my background to be red color. Red. My background should be red color. You see? So the links, my links should be gold color. These are the links. Then this is just where you set the colors, yeah. But then white link area is not okay. So let me just put it in white. So this is just where you put your color, make like, and let me quickly drop this. Let me quickly chip this in. Make sure that that's actually requirements that you ask from a client when you want to design a website for them. You ask for their logo. Or let me just put this way. When you want to create a course for a buyer, after you've talked about the content part of things, then the website part of things, you ask if you're uploading the course content for them, tell them, provide me the course content in PDF or document file. If they should give you in PDF, you can convert it to documents. If they should give you in documents, if you need to convert it to PDF, you can easily do that. Provide me your course content in PDF or document file. Once you ask for that, one. Second thing is their their brand kit. Their brand kit will include their logo, their favicon, their color, the color of their business. They'll provide you the codes there, or they should give you the image. If they should not give you the image, you can go and pick the color by using something eyedropper. I don't know if you can see this thing, but it's not showing that. Eyedropper. No, brand kit. The extension to pick a color on a website is eyedropper. Eyedropper. You use the eyedropper to pick the color, because some clients they will just send you their website link and their logo. They automatically expect you to pick the color. Don't now say, you did not just send me the color. No, 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 no. You don't need to ask. As a professional that you are, you should be able to pick the color by using eyedropper. Just use it, pick the color. No, that's first thing. And also, most of these clients they already have one website, be it Wix, be it WordPress, be it something. They already have it before that they want you to do something related to that in terms of colors, the content tone, the font. They want you to use the same font. What do? You have to pick the font too. The name of the extension for that is what font, for picking website font. What font. So when a client is just provide you their website, like me for example, so just give me your website details, your website link. I won't ask you for your logo because I'll pick your logo. I won't ask you for your brand color. I'll pick your brand color. I won't ask you for your fonts. I'll pick your brand fonts. And everything will be so perfect. So you too, you can be that person. Be able to pick. Don't be asking them when they actually giving you something that can provide you the answer to that. Now let us continue our design, please. So this is where you work on your color. This is where you work on the color. Then let's go back. Then desktop typography. How it will be on a desktop, you get how it will be. Why this is the mobile typography, how it will be on mobile. This. So you said that in favicon. Now, what is a favicon? A favicon is the small icon that is always beside the name of what you are doing. Like I believe you all know Upwork now. You see when you are doing something on your Upwork, you see UP at the top corner like that. That UP is Upwork favicon. Your client should have their favicon too, and this is where you get to add it. On that theme settings, don't forget theme settings. You come to favicon, add it. Don't let them be using thinkific favicon after you claim that you designed their website.
Please, I have a question. Sorry.
Okay, okay, yeah.
You asked about the size, how it will show on a desktop and how it will show on
Mobile.
maybe a phone mobile, yeah.
Yeah.
So how do we know the right size to choose? Because I've seen when
Okay.
you scroll past, I saw some numbers there. So how do
Yeah.
we know the perfect one?
Thinkific has actually given us the recommended one. But I used to say that text it as you are doing it, test it. You've added that size. Now go to your website, click that link on your website, preview it. No, this is looking somehow. Change it and check again. You understand? Because it's kind of determine how it should display. But that size that is here is the recommended one, and that size used to actually work for me. But I used to test too. You understand? Did I answer your question?
Yes, you have.
Okay. So make sure you add your favicon here. Which favicon should we use? We just get one image too. So once you've added it, just make sure you keep saving, please. Because if you stop saving, everything you think that you've done, nothing will show. Like you just like really. So everything I've been doing. So now I'm back to this. I've added my banner. After my banner, what else should I add? I should add a text that is like a short description of the course. Then what should you add there? You should add image and text. Then you drag it, move it up. The image of your course should be here. Now, like I'll just keep adding something so you can see what I'm actually talking about, how it will look like and all. But the client will be the one to provide you the image, except you are the one to design it. And please, if don't do anything free, but then you can choose to give them something that won't take you your time. If you are doing graphic design for clients, charge for that graphic design. Don't go and do free graphics. So now, what's the name of this course? E-learning bootcamp. Now, what's the description of the course? That description of the course that you added there under settings, you come here to add it again. This course will enable you to be able to navigate and find your way in the e-learning industry, blah blah blah. You just write, like you just copy and paste it there. And this is the image. If the image size is big for you, you reduce it. Then the button, where should the button go to? Checkout page, course page, bundle, community, where exactly? Or a custom link entirely. Maybe you have somewhere you want to direct them to, you just put it. And if it's a course page, you can click the course page, and you do not tell you to click to select the particular course. Now the button, and well, now button style. How will the button look like? Under that your colors, you would have actually said the color that the primary will be, the secondary will be. So now, see, now this is secondary. Now this is secondary. Now this is primary. This primary. So you just select the one you want. Now we move top padding. This space up here is called padding. Like this space where I'm holding my thing, my cursor. This is the padding. You can choose to remove it. And choose to remove it. That's why when you're doing your website, please get creative with it. Because like when you are doing some things, it will require you to remove padding. When you are doing some things, it will not require you to remove. So when you remove when you are not supposed to remove, there will be like there will be a complaint from the client. And when your client is complaining about your design, is something else, you get. So remove, you can choose to remove and you can choose not to remove, you get. Like you look at the way now, I've removed it, you get. So now, and you can choose how should the content be. Is it center? Is it left? Is it right? You can choose to select. But now, just make sure that if your image is in the right, then your content should be in the left. And if your image is in the left, your content should be in the right. It should be like that. So now, but just let me select left, right. So the content will be at the left hand side, while the image will be at the right hand side, or like this. Anyhow, you can just do it. Just make sure you are checking. Actually, you get. Just make sure you check in. So we've added a short description of the course. Now, the third thing is if the client has something else that I want to add. Sorry. If the client has something else, maybe the client has TV major aspects that the course is into, TV major aspects that the course is actually into, you can just add this icon and text. You drag it, you move it up. Where is it? Okay. So the heading. Now the layout. Are you moving the padding or not too? Then the icon and text. You add it. Early sleep. if if there is something you get, because some clients have some main points of what the course is all about, they have it. Maybe they have positive outcome of the course, major thing, then make Help them use this. You understand? Help them use this. And make sure you always ask for reference when you want to create your client's website. The client cannot tell you that I don't have any reference. I trust you as an expert to come up with something creative. Then make sure that you do your findings, do your homework. Don't just come on website. I don't think if I can do it. You do rubbish. Oh. So that is very important. So after that, then make sure you always add instructor section. Very important, instructor session. And important instructor session is always so important for it to be on the sales, on the landing page or your sales page, when the instructor has just one course. If the person has just one course, make sure that you put the person's picture here on the course. People don't get to trust, like, just like you're telling me to come and buy something and I don't get to know you, I don't even know anything about you, I don't know where you are from. Fine, I'll be kind of scared to patronize you because I'll be like, hey, what if this person just scam me? What if? Like, your mind will be filled with a lot of what ifs. So just know that, just try and add that when you are doing your website, the instructor, and that is why I said you should add the instructor's details under the course area, if you remember. So now just come here, show the instructor's email. It will show the instructor's email address. Okay, I'm going to select then the heading and just say meet the instructor. If there's subheading, a brief introduction about the instructor. And it's not necessary you add something here actually. Then the alignment should be in the center. Then I now said you click add instructor's biography. Now, if you have so many instructors there, it will list all of them. Then you now select. Then you will now select. You see, this is the name, but I didn't add description or anything there. So this is just it. So that's just it. You just, once you are just done, you've added it here. Then you do what? You save. Make sure you are saving. Now, after you've added that, then the curriculum, you should add the curriculum, and that is here already. The curriculum, once you've added your curriculum like this, it should show here. Just show everything here. Now, after your curriculum, if you have testimonials, ask the client, do you have testimonials? If the client said, yes, I do, fine. Just come here. Do you have testimonial session? This is it, testimonials. You move it to. Now you now add their picture. Let me click it. So you add their picture, name, Jinping. What is their role? An acupuncturist. Then you add their picture. Here's the person. This one that's got the head. Just delete that one. Let us add another picture. Let's add this guy. So this was it. You see, cut their head. Now, you can see that everything we are adding now is clear here, but it's cutting their head in. Now, what we have to do is we have to resize it before we add it. We have to resize it before we add it now. We come here. Here's the picture of the guy again. Now crop. Reduce up here. Reduce it up here. You see cutting their head now. Okay, so what we have to do now is you have to make use of thinkific image size. For you to do that, just you have to go to Canva to actually do that. I'll have to quickly do that for us. So here's my Canva. That's cool. This is my Canva. I quickly want to no the size. This thing should look. I believe we know Canva now. So the size is 160 by 75. 160 by 75. It's a design. This is the kind of thing that thing can take. Then this is where you will now add that picture here. Now add that picture here. Upload. Will upload like this. Control Z. So you just expand the image for it to be able to fit into this one. So you just do it this way. Then you now upload it like that. Because you can also have the same challenge. I even think I had the same challenge while working on which websites? Okay, on Jot from recently. So once you have done that, you just now download it that way. That way to download easily. That way to work there. So now back to here. I'll delete this and upload that. It's past 10. Not past 10. It's not even clear again. But I'm just showing you how you get that and the size. Let me even write that in the comment section. You see that it has shown it fully. So that's how you do it. Let me write the size in the comment section so you can keep that just in case. 160 pixels by 75 pixels. No, that's for that. So once you are just done adding, just make sure you still save. Still save. So those are the very important ones to add. Then this one is just like a round off thing. It's got if there's something else like just use this one to charge them. You get are you struggling? Are you really want to go into the e-learning niche and still don't know how enroll into this course and you will be glad you did. No, the content, if the way is for it's too much, reduce it. Reduce it. Reduce it. Actually this. Reduce it. Then the background and the layout, which color? Primary or the second? You would have actually said the primary, the second, the color under that area. Don't forget the primary. You see, the primary is white color like that. Then the secondary. Now it's not asking for the layout. Do you want it to be in two fonts? See that this one, it has the content is in one area and the button is in one area. That is the two columns. You can make it one column. Then the alignment be in center. Be in center. Then the button should say what? Enroll today. Primary or the second. Now it's not asking that how should it be on mobile? Should it be full or standard, which is the normal one? Anyone you want, just select it. Then you save. So now once you are now done, let's preview. Let's preview the play that we've been doing. Okay, we didn't add any image. Abeg, let us add image to the banner area at least. So it won't just be blank. Did I have any banner here? Let me quickly teach us something. You can easily download images from iStock photos. Let me stop. Like this is not actually part of our thing, no, but just a bonus. Just pay attention to how to do it. Now, because iStock images are paid images, you get, but then there is a way that you can manipulate or get your way to get it for free. So when you come to iStock, Elder Sleep, search for the name. It's simply slow. I will not. No, like what I just want to say is we get image and we download it for free without paying anything. When you are creating course, you because some clients just say that they want to add images, let them know that you'll be getting iStock images. They can even pay you to get them, but you know how to get them for free. You get like don't tell them you'll be getting it for free because they are normally paid for. So that's just that. If this image should not allow us to, if this network should not allow us to do it, then let me just go and look for one image to just add it.
Please show us how to get the images from iStock. I'm really interested, please.
It's the network actually, like the network is just doing anyhow. Most especially this iStock is not even loading. I think it's loading now. Let me share it now. Okay, I think it's sharing the iStock, right? I think it's sharing it now. Okay. Elder sleep. Elder sleep. No, these are images. Some sure should be yours. You have different ones. Like there are different options you can pick from get. So you just check and check once you've seen one that you want to use. Okay, I think we can use something like this. I click now. Okay, now look at the price now. 9.99 for this image. While subscription is 2.49 for 1 month. That's 10 images per month. So now you now copy the link of that image. Once you now copy the link of that image, then what you have to do, stop sharing. Oh, sorry. Let me just share it Canva. Then go to downloader.la. Downloader.la.
Please, I didn't follow again. No, I didn't see how you copied the link and you went
The
to
link
Canva.
downloader.la. No, I did not go to Canva. Oh. That's where it's showing her. Okay, let me just see there. Downloader.la. I don't have anything to do in Canva. You go to downloader.la. I send the link in the comment section. So downloader.la. Verify your email. Yeah, I am. So now this is, what we need there is iStock, but we got iStock image that we need want to download. Now where is iStock downloader? This is iStock photo. These are how you can download this one. So look at this one, Adobe Stock, Alamy photos, this and that. But now iStock, this network. No, I hope you guys you got out. You know how I got here. I just clicked on that, then I'm here now. So now that link that you copied here, you paste it here. Then click search photo. Now download generated photo. This is the image now. Is it even download? Let me check. Mm, Download it now. This image now. Then just save it. Save image as um obviously. Now I've downloaded that image, clean and everything. Nothing. So let me add it to our website. Hope you got how I did it. From there to
Yeah.
downloader, from
Yes,
downloader,
I did.
pam. Okay. So then we add the image here. So we've added image. So let's preview again. So I've added the image here. I've added it to the website. So this is now. So let us preview now. Oh, yes. Time. So now this is what we've done. The image, the banner, then the image and text. The image and text. Then what we added here, then the instructor's details here, then our course curriculum, then our testimonials, then the call to action. Now this call to action did not display, then we go back to where we are coming from. Now, where are we coming from? Here. Call to action. And then um no, let me reload. No, but no, not okay. Is it saved? No, so this is what we did. So that is just how to design a thinkific website, a thinkific sales page. Now, if you don't want to work on the home page, well, all you have to do is close the site builder. Just close this. Now, I believe you can see this. Then you go back to home. No, you're going to the website, channels. Now, you click on website. Now, if you want to design the home page, like this is the one, this is what the one we did. You get, if you want to design the home page, like every page you design inside Thinkific, everything is made up of sections. Everything from the home page to the about page to whatsoever, all sections. So the home page, this is home page now. What we still add there is a section. We add this one section, you add that one section. But you see, there won't be banner course like we saw there, and there won't be CTA course like we saw there. So that's just, you just add sections accordingly how it should be, and then you're done. So that is how to work on a Thinkific sales page. Sorry, Thinkific landing page, then Thinkific website. So that is everything that then Thinkific website, this Thinkific landing page. That's just it. So that's all. That's it, guys. So question time now. So that's all. So that's all. Like we have no question, right? If you okay, let me just do it this way. If you understand everything I said and you have no question at all, signify. No question, you really, really understand. Signify.
The thing is, I okay. Maybe as we practice and have any question, we are going to send it to the group, because sometimes it might look like we understand everything now. It's when we start practicing that we'll get
Okay.
to know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay then. Okay, that's fine. So okay, so now what we all have